Lavanya from Government Degree College, Koottanur, District Hyderabad. Our topic is a comma can kill you, right punctuation can save lives, a study on the punctuation, errors in English, name words of Koottanur. Our team members, sir.
This is Swarnam Sujata.
This is Jnaneshwari.
This is Lord Vaishnavi.
According to the Oxford Dictionary, punctuation is defined as the marks such as full stop, comma and brackets used in writing to separate sentences and their elements to clarify meanings. Aim and objectives: to elucidate the importance of punctuation in English language, to familiarize ourselves of punctuation rules, to give intended meaning to the sentence, to become aware of the significance of punctuation in English, to identify the anomalies in English name words. Over to Krishna.
Significance. If you feel the need to pause anywhere, consider adding a comma. Using question marks accurately is particularly important in emails. A question mark is not used for indirect questions. A colon is never preceded by a space or followed by a hyphen. The punctuation mark does not exist in standard English. A semicolon is used to join two or more parts in a sentence. We use the semicolon when you already have commas within a sentence for smaller separations, and you need the semicolon to show the bigger separations. Over to Sujata.
Methodology. Sampling technique is adapted is non-probability. Condensing sampling. Condensing sampling is probable to the most common of all sampling techniques. With condensed sampling, the sampling are selected because they are accessible to the results. For this studies, our target population is the 100 names board, placed at shops and institutions situated along Koottanur. Our observations reveals that some of the names board have punctuation errors. This may be due to the mispunctuations and poor punctuation skills of the individual. Over to next.
Hypothesis. The hypothesis constructed for this topic is the name of the boards that are chosen for the observation are incorrectly punctuation. Word for Vaishnavi.
Results and analysis. In observation, we followed a systematic way and analyzed it in the following manner. Total number of name boards observed 100. Total number of mispunctuated name boards 20. Percentage of mispunctuated name boards 20%. Total number of name boards found correct 80. Percentage of name boards found correct 80%. And see the graph. It can be further analyzed as follows. Total number of name boards mispunctuated 20. Total number of name boards with major mistakes 3. Percentage of major mistake name boards 15%. Total number of name boards with minor mistakes 17. Percentage of minor mistake name boards 85%. See this graph and see the picture. Let's eat grandma. Let's eat grandma. This punctuation saves lives. I like cooking my family and my pets. See the commas save lives. Look before you throw workers below. Stop, not hang him. See this? Stop, not hang him. Over to Lavanya.
found that there are only 20% errors in English name words. Use of wrong mark of punctuation or even wrong placement of mark of punctuation can change the meaning of the sentence completely and sometimes even convert the sentence to complete nonsense. Though an English word is mistakenly mispunctuated, it creates a wrong impression on the people and institutions who are that used it. Further research can be undertaken on importance of punctuation